Hi everyone. So since we are practicing social distancing, this is the best time to take care of your hair. Some of you have been wearing weave on and braiding her hair all year. You've not even washed it. So this is the universe way of saying take off that weave and braid that hair. Let your hair breathe and take care of your hair. And what better way to do it than with Kinky Matter's secret hair recipe, honey, is the most amazing product on the market, if I say so myself. So I'm going to tell you a story about how some girls tried to jump me in university because they said that I had gone to steal their man. Oh, the girl said I had gone to steal her boyfriend. Yes, this happened to me before. Now, if you see my lips moving differently for my voice, it's just because I recorded separately. Listen to my voice, don't read my lips. So I'm going to tell you the story as I twist my hair. Now, this is one of my favorite protective styles. It's simple. It's easy to do. You can have it in for a very long time. You can take it out, wash your hair, do it again. So it's one of my favorite protective styles to do. So if you're trying to give your hair a break this time, this is one of the most amazing styles to do. Wait. Pause, rewind. Now look at that in slow motion. I got some coconut oil, essential oil, water in my spray bottle. Look at that. Everything is much better in slow motion. It does not do anything special to the hair, but I just like how it is doing slow motion. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Okay, now back to the story. I'm going to try and make it as quick as possible as I braid my hair. So, when I was in university, there was this guy I reconnected with. Yes, he was my senior in school. He was cool. Like when we were in school, we never, talked or anything, but we reconnected and we were, hanging out. And, in this, back then, even now, if a guy is calling you all the time and he's showing up at your house and he's taking you out, what does it mean? Okay, shoot. I brought only 3 clips, so I have to use my tail comb, which works just fine. Improvise, people. Now use your secret hair recipe for this twist. You're gonna get great definition. Your curls are gonna be bomb after, plus you'll be treating and taking care of your hair. Don't forget the edges, honey. So as I was saying, so I reconnected with this guy. And everything was okay. He was calling me. I think I even sent him some credit, 75,000 Cs. That's 7 Cs, 50 pesos. I used to call him at space to space. Yes, I was young and foolish, okay? It's important that you remember this throughout the story. So, everything was going great. But I noticed every time you come and visit me, like a friend of mine told me that, they saw him at another hostel. And I was like, what's he doing at that hostel? So, I sent my message. I said, what are you? Okay, I'm lying. I didn't send him a message. I called him from space to space. And I said, what are you always doing at that hostel? He said, his friend's girlfriend is there. So he goes to visit he drops, when he's coming to visit me, he drops his friend at the, I'm losing concentration now because look at that. Oh, look at that definition. Let's do it in slow motion. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Slow motion. Yeah, so this guy said that he always drops his friend there who has a girl there when he comes to visit me. The lies. If lying was the key to heaven, some people would already be there. Anyway, but I was young, naive, my instincts were all over the place, like, there's something wrong, but I wanted to believe that, he wasn't lying. So, I was there one day and I got a call. I remember the girl's voice. Excuse me, is this Lydia Forson? I was like, yeah, what's up? I hear that you're going to tell everybody that XYZ is your boyfriend. Okay, I don't want to mention the guy's name right now because he's married, and I'm hoping he's a better wife. He's a better husband to his wife than he was. I wouldn't even say partner to me, but do people ever really change? You never know. So she's like, so I hear you're going around telling everybody that this guy is your boyfriend, but he's not your boyfriend. I was like, hey, I was like, granny. So she's like, well, I want to see you. I was like, sure, I'll come and see you. So I went to wear my tracksuit because, that time I used to wear a lot of shorts and t-shirts, It's the industry that changed me a little bit, but I'm back to my shorts and sneakers. So I went to pick the 7:00 bus. That time we used to have buses that would take us in and out. Oh, so my comb broke, but we move. So I got on the bus. We used to have these shuttles that would take us to and fro campus. I got there. When I got there, there were like 5-6 girls, all looking at me. Oh, it's important to know that among those girls, there's a very famous actress now. Actually, that's how we became friends, which is another funny story. She was just standing there looking at me. She always tells me that she can't believe I came because they were all like, hey, girl, you bio. So I got there and the girl walked up to me and she's like, so I just want you to know that me and him, we kiss, we have sex together, we shower together, we do everything together. I'm his girlfriend. And I was like, I didn't even understand why she felt the need to tell me this. That time, I was a virgin. So, I was like, sir. She was like, yeah, so he's my man. And I was like, well, then maybe you should take it up with him. But are you two seeing each other? And I was like, well, were we, I don't know. But in my mind, something was going on because he never said he has a girlfriend. He was taking me out. We were chilling. We're, eating around and everything. So if he's the one you should blame for not telling me. All right, okay, my braids, my twists are looking good. So I'm like, sister, Namia, you are taking this thing on, She's like, well, I think she just was not happy with the reaction she got because she thought she was going to get a full-on girl fight. She didn't know she was talking to the wrong-ass girl. Me, you're not getting a fight from me. Pause. So people always ask me about the length of my hair. And your hair is not growing and you always say longer. Let me show you what shrinkage looks like. Bah! Do it again, Lydia. Do it again. And I used to cut my hair all the time. I'm just now trying not to cut my hair again because I want to grow it. But look at that shrinkage. Yes, a fushim. Anyway, and this is a great exercise too. So for those who can't go out, doing your hair, by the time you finish your abasa. So as I was saying, I was just confused with this girl and everything that was going on. Okay, that's Oreo, by the way, who is just not minding his business. Hello, everybody. Hello. 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 All right. Gotta do my hair. Yeah. So I was like, Oreo did not want to leave me. For those who don't know, Oreo is my dog who likes to interrupt me a lot. So yeah, I was just there like, honey child, I don't know what your problem is, but I'm not the person you should be fighting at all. I am not your enemy. If anything, the person you should be fighting is the man. Okay? I'm not that kind of woman who fight another woman over a man. Never, ever, ever. Bah. So, I shall continue the story when I take out my twist. Yes, but I shall continue the story when I take out my twist. For now, marinate on the fact that I dressed up to go and meet a girl who said I was trying to steal her man. Ladies, let's do better. So, yeah, this is it. Bye. You can leave it out. People like, well, can you go out like this? Of course, it's your hair. Put on some makeup or not, and put on some earrings, and you're good. Ooh, give it to them in slow motion. Yes. Yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. The video is not ending, so I don't know how to. Remember to use your Kinky Matters secret hair recipe for amazing twists and twist out. It's great for growing your hair, conditions your hair, softens your hair, repairs your hair, rejuvenates your hair follicles. Listen, this is an all-in-one product. So use this period to give your hair some rest and take care of it. Okay. So the slow motion is still going and we don't know how to end the video, but we move. Kinky Matters, because please, it is not Kinky Matters, okay? For those at the back, it is not Kinky Matters. Thank you. This Kokonsan was brought to you by Kinky Matters Secret Hair Recipe. Kinky Matters, because you matter. Protect yourself and your hair.